right. So now we do have on bees.social a very great project, Waifu, which is Anime Limited, and Ashtar, who runs the show over there, is joining us today. Ashtar, welcome.
Hello, team. It's good to be here again, Austin. It's a pleasure again. This bees.social well tank. So I think that you have seen the project from the beginning, from the start, and this is growing. And right now we are with big things, new things coming up in the following weeks. Just events that we already did from the last week. We are a team of a community. We can say not only a team because this project is meant to be for all the anime lovers, all the artists, all that kind of people that is looking for engagement, for showing their pieces of art, and also with these crypto things to engage with the crypto, engage with the NFTs, engage with this kind of art. So we all start with a project, an idea. As you know, this project called Anime Limited is completely related to the waifus. What are the waifus? Those girls that you are engaged in a little bit to say something, but in a way that you love anime characters, love characters that actually don't exist. But that's a key point, a key word, anime, that you can say from the Latin thing, the root that is anima, the soul. So imagine that. We give soul to things that don't have a soul. We are here right now after months of working with different artists, different pieces of art. You have seen all the NFTs that we have right now. Those pieces, those waifu girls, they are in a way or another different collections. So the idea is to move forward because again the key word is community, and we want to keep pushing all these things to become something that is global known. The Anime Limited, this community that could be engaged no matter where you are, no matter what kind of art. There are different pieces of art. For example, you can see right now here. Uh, I'm going to show in a moment with more detail, but this is just to have an idea of what we have for this contest, this community NFT contest from the artists that are from the community. That's the
Very cool.
big
So
deal.
what is the big event that you're having this week?
Okay, we have two events. Two events. As we want to serve this community wants to be like a platform or even a bridge for artists, for people to engage with their art. Uh, we're having our first community gala, and this was at the end. We have 4 different artists with 7 unique pieces of art that are completely unique, one of one. You could even look for them in the webpage that I'm going to share in a moment, and you could even share with people. But the idea is that this is the first time, and being this the first time is to also encourage all the other artists that want to become of this new world, because NFTs are here to
Hola a
stay.
todos, mi nombre es Gustavo Reyes Soriano y soy el creador de las chicas anime. Una de mis metas fue rediseñar a Sandra y a Sabrina, quienes fueron los personajes principales de mi propio cómic, que realicé unos años atrás. Las chicas Kater y Mishi son personajes nuevos diseñados para esta competencia. Podría decir que Mishi es mi favorita de las 4, pero me gustaría saber su opinión para estar seguro si les agrada mi arte y traerles más en el futuro.
This is just only one. I don't know if you could. I know that we have different communities, and some of them are in the Spanish community, so all you can know what to say. But we all have also these closed captions. Maybe a little small in the bottom, but I think that you could. What you're for here is all of our different collections, but at the end, or to say something, the last 7 pieces of art are those different NFTs that are made from the community. This is part of an action that will be live until Wednesday next week. So think about this like something on fire. We have only 1 week for these different pieces. One of each is a unique piece of. You can only have one. We have different bids, and we have starting on in a way or another, the auction prices were defined by the NFT contest, meaning that the first place is starting around 0.5 ETHs, and the second place is zero point 0.3, and then the other five pieces of art are 0.1 ETH each. As I said, it's an auction, so let's see what happens until someone gets this uniquely the way as the NFTs or the art, but also within games or cosplay. I don't know, but if you imagine something about the waifus, they are really engaged and really related to cosplay, to fan lovers, to those anime fans that are maybe looking for new content, or maybe looking for develop and create their own content. And I think that with this fest, it was the Emotion Fest, one of the, I can say, one of the biggest or largest animation illustration festival in Latin America, that is in Motion Fest, and it was last week. The last three days of the week, it was amazing. We have people from different parts of Latin America and even from the world, because the event was related to partners, not only the different conferences or speakers related to anime, 3D animation, film, 2D animation, encouraging new artists to make their own part of the industry, to make their own part within art. And with this, with what we are making their own path, that specific path to showcase their projects, showcase the art. So this was the first time for us in a project or in an event like this. That was it. Motion Fest was at the beginning. So if we think about this, it's important. This was our first event, and something changed, but doesn't matter. What I'm saying is, with this event, look at the opportunities, look at the things that we gave different prizes to people that was looking for video game tournaments, to cosplay contests, to people looking for different pieces of art. And right now, it was done. What is next? We don't know. Let's open new things. Let's go and again grow the community with new people. And what we have right now is something that is innovative material right now. I can say I won't show or won't share a lot, but stay tuned with this, stay tuned, because it's something that will be a big deal. Things related to AI, things related to multiple different bits or tons of different NFTs, pieces of art, uniques again. So what's next? Just stay tuned with our social media to see what happens. Let's see. I think again, one of the important things is that as this is made from the community to the community to get more value to all that artists, it's something that at the end, for example, this last contest, we could say that they get their utilities, they get rewarded with what they sell. So this is important again. It's engaging with community. We are not only like a boss, we are like a partner in crime to say and to move this world to a new thing. Because artists and art is a really important thing with the world.
I'm sharing the Anime Limited website, right? This is anime.limited. And all your social networks are up here in the right-hand corner. So you got Twitter and Telegram, Medium, Instagram, and your Discord channel. So if anybody wants to join any of those up there, that's the best place to find you guys. And of course, check out the full website.